Today we're going to make some fabulous guacamole. First I took the skin off the avocados and took the seed out and all that. I like to leave it a little chunky. And then I chopped up some Roma tomatoes, some white onions, a couple cloves of garlic, a handful of cilantro, and go ahead and include the stems. That's where all the flavor's at as well, guys. And some juice from a lime. So what we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and put everything into the food processor to, go ahead and chop it all up. And you can just go ahead and put all the cilantro in there like this. It might seem like it's a little tight, but do the best you can. Onions and garlic all go inside as well, just like so. It's my first time using this KitchenAid. It seems pretty cool. Okay, and that should do it for that. And then we're going to put the lid on and see what happens from that point. If I can figure out how to put the lid on, it'd be great. Alright guys, I think it's on okay. So let's see what we got.